Prevention is key when it comes to certain diseases, and luckily there is a new test that is easy, painless, and can detect diseases before you even see symptoms.
Here to tell us about this new testing is Dr. Leonard, CEO of Florida Wellness Medical Group. So let's start with the actual testing. What exactly is cell testing?
Sure, it's a basic lab where we draw your blood like any other time you draw blood, but instead of checking your plasma, we're checking your actual cells. Cells hold a lot more data than plasma does. So you can, for example, when you test blood sugar, if you ate a box of donuts yesterday, your blood sugar is going to be higher today, where your cells hold a 6-month average of data. And so whatever you did yesterday won't necessarily affect that test's outcome for testing different things.
Is this something that's being offered at a lot of different medical groups, doctors' offices right now?
Unfortunately, no. It's definitely something that needs to be addressed more in our medical training. We're really good at management of disease. So diabetes, heart disease, as an internal medicine practice, we see a lot of. And we talk to our patients about the medications and lifestyles once they're diagnosed to manage those conditions. But as a medical enterprise, we don't talk about how to prevent them.
Right.
So we can look with the cell testing your carbohydrate metabolism for future risk of diabetes, or as well as your antioxidant response in the prevention of cancer to see how well your antioxidants respond to insults like free radicals.
Gotcha. And how long has cell testing been available, and who should go get cell testing?
I think everyone should, personally.
No matter age.
Yeah, so there are a lot of things on the infographic that you have on your screen now. We call it the tree of disease. On the top is really lots of different diseases, heart disease, autoimmune conditions, and all of those have variable events that occur that unlock those. So for example, an autoimmune disease like multiple sclerosis, you have a genetic background somehow. You're also raised it's environmental, so people who are in northern states or countries have a higher disposition to multiple sclerosis.
I didn't know that.
And that's because there's a low vitamin D in 85% of multiple sclerosis patients. So if we're testing your vitamin D, we're trying to be preventive on, because you need about 5 keys to unlock multiple sclerosis. Genetics, environment, diet, exposure, those types of things. And we want to, if we can block 1 or 2 of those, it very well may prevent the becoming diagnosed with something like an autoimmune condition.
Is it covered by insurance?
It is, yeah. So the lab we use is called SpectraCell Laboratories. They're a nationwide organization. They do accept insurance. If you have insurance, it's a $2,000 test, but if you have insurance, it's pretty reasonably priced at $200 for really extensive testing. They take your cells, they put them in a petri dish, they bombard them with pathogens to see how well your immune reaction is. So all of these things are things you can modify that will address, that you can actually take home Monday morning and start in implementation right away, so you don't have to worry about managing your diseases later on.
Really quick, give us an overall, who is Florida Wellness Medical Group?
Florida Wellness Medical Group, we're a multidisciplinary practice. We're internal medicine, chiropractic, acupuncture, physical therapy. We really like to brand ourselves as evidence-based wellness care. There's a lot of wellness jargon out there and branding, whether it be your nail salon or a tea, you know. So we want to keep it in the realm of evidence that is not necessarily as much snake oil.
Gotcha.
But this testing is really good because it's about your physiology. A lot of patients will ask me, should I take coenzyme Q10, which people have heard of. It's a great antioxidant, but some people don't need it. And so this test is based on you.
Well, unfortunately, we're out of time, but this is something that a lot of us should really look into preventatively. Florida Wellness Medical Group has 5 locations in the Bay Area. Go to floridawell.com for more information on the cell testing. Dr. Leonard will also be answering